iPhone volume too low. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can solve if your iPhone's volume is basically too low, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the volume on your iPhone is too low, first of all make sure that you have not turned on the ringer switch. So you have a ringer switch on the left hand side of your iPhone depending upon which model you're using. Make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. Another thing that you can check is to simply open up settings, go to the option called sounds and haptics, and make sure that it is not set to silent here. So here also you can simply try to check that, and then you should be able to go ahead and then basically use them and make sure it is not set to the silent mode here, right? Another thing you can try to check is make sure all of this. Now sometimes if let's say you're watching a YouTube video and the video from that video is low, then it could be the problem with that video. You can try to check from other videos and make sure that your speakers are not blocked. You don't have any cases that is actually blocking the speakers at the bottom of your iPhone and at the top as well. So make sure there are not enough dust, and if there are dust, then just try to remove it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.